Hello, this is my last video. I hope you like it. My name is Juan Mosqueda and I am 36 years old. I like talking to other people and help them achieve their goals and dreams in any way I can possibly do. I love spending time with my family and working on my car. I am a full-time worker and spend my weekends trying to obtain my high school diploma. I am single with no kids. I live with my brother Jose. We are close and spend time talking to each other and learning new things. My favorite family member is my brother Jose. We got really close after my mom died a couple of years ago. He likes to study a lot and I'm trying to find a taste for that. I am from Reynosa, Tamaulipas, Mexico. I am Mexican and proud to be from this beautiful country. I live in Reynosa. My city is small. This is a blue-collar town with tons of options to work. There's not much places to visit, but we have an international bridge and the largest mall in El Valle de Texas is less than half an hour driving. Monterrey is also within driving range. The activities in my city is to buy and sell goods from another country, especially from the US. We have custom office in town and many import-export agencies. We can make serious business in my town. I like the fact that my city offers lots of jobs. The thing I don't like from it is the high crime rates and the constant gun fights. I really like to read and learn from my Prepa en Línea course over the weekend. I hope you like this, and my city is great to be in, but you really need to have a strong stomach because there's a lot of violence around here. So what can I say? We gotta follow the food, the money. See you guys in the next module. Great luck to everyone.